Alright, within some minutes, I'm going to show you how you can be able to generate kind of this video by yourself.
Hello, my name is Hannah. My name is Sheena. Love.
And then don't forget, watch this video step by step. Don't skip any part of it so that you won't miss any vital information. Before I continue, don't forget to hit the subscription button, like this video, and leave your comment below if you have any question you want to ask. To turn on the notification bell. Let's continue. Now what you're going to do is come to your browsing, any choice of your browsing, though I do use Chrome. I click on Chrome. When you click on Chrome, then search, go to your search engine and type Google Gemini, right? That's it. You send it. When you open it, you see this first link here. You click on it. When you click on it, it's going to open for you like this. When it's open for you like this, what I'm going to do right now is just input your prompt. When you input your prompt, this is the prompt I input, right? Then take a look at this prompt. You see the prompt. This is my prompt I paste right now, and you send. When I send, you are going to see what it's going to give to me right now. Wow, it has given us very clean and massive video. Now let me download it. You tap on it, you see this little drop down arrow. Then when you click it, it's going to download to your gallery. Then let's go to my gallery. You are going to see it there, right? Let's go into my gallery. Do you see? This is the video. Then let's play it.
Hello, my name is Hannah. My name is John.
Can you see? Very amazing and stunning video. Try to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription button. It motivates us a lot. Then give us thumbs up by liking this video. It do a lot for our channel. And then don't forget to leave your comments below. If there's any part of this video you don't understand, or you want me to explain more, or you have anything you have been suffering from you want me to explain, try to leave it under the comment section. And then don't forget to turn on your notification bell.